Good morning! Today I want to share with you a few simple morning rituals that can set you up for a joyful, energized day. How we start our morning really shapes the way the rest of the day unfolds. As a lifestyle and wellness coach, and someone who is passionate about personal growth for women over 50, I've discovered that practicing a few simple, intentional habits each morning can really set you up for the day. It's not about having a perfect routine. It's about creating moments that allow you to feel grounded and ready to shine. These rituals are inspired by principles of longevity and well-being, designed to nourish your mind, body, and spirit. So let's get started. The first ritual is very simple. As soon as I wake up, I sit up and I give myself a minute for my head to clear. Then I sit on the side of my bed and I take 3 very intentional deep breaths. So in through the nose, and out through the mouth. And then I plant my 2 feet on the floor, stand up to ground me. The second ritual is to drink a glass of cold filtered water before I have anything like tea or coffee. It helps me feel refreshed and kickstarts my digestion. Now you can add a little lemon if you want, that's always nice, but it really helps to clear the head. The third ritual is gentle movement. Not a full workout first thing, just a few simple stretches. My goal is to wake up my body and get my energy flowing. Movement is such a gift, especially as we age. It keeps us strong, flexible, and connected to ourselves. Lastly, I'd like to wake up my senses. This could be as simple as listening to my favorite song or just sitting and savoring the smell of my freshly brewed coffee. Sometimes, weather permitting, I'll stand in my backyard for a few minutes and just enjoy the sunshine and the fresh air. And that's it. I told you it was simple. Simple yet effective, and it only takes about 5 to 10 minutes. To recap, intentional breathing, hydrating, moving my body with love, and waking up my senses. These small rituals can completely transform your mornings and help you step into your day with joy and purpose. I encourage you to pick one of these rituals and try it tomorrow morning. See the difference it makes in your energy and your mood. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to subscribe for more tips on vibrant living after 50. Have a beautiful day, and I will see you very soon. Bye.